My father would take me every year to the Third Seder. This was a labor Zionist, basically a fundraiser, I guess, that was held in a hotel in New York, after a while in two hotels, the Waldorf Astoria and the Commodore. And we would go there. It was not a real Seder. It was a dinner, a Passover dinner, because it was held during Passover. And the speakers and the entertainment, if you could call it that, all dealt with what was going on in Europe. And people like Ben-Gurion and Golda Meir, before they were in government, would come and tell about what was going on and how terrible things were. So I was aware from the time I was very young about the Holocaust. We didn't call it that at that point, but nobody really knew the full extent of what was happening at that point. But we knew that Jews were in big trouble and that they were being killed. But nobody really, nobody spoke about it. It wasn't, in the streets or anything. It wasn't in the newspapers because nobody believed it. Mm-hmm. It was those Jews are, being hypersensitive and paranoid again. So, but I knew about it.